għaliex qed nitkellmu biss fuq l-imwiet ikkawżati mill-COVID-19. Din kienet il-mistoqsija li għannet l-attriċi u xandara Denise Welch li fuq programm ta' ġrajiet kurrenti fuq l-istazzjon Ingliż Talk Radio tkellmet dwar l-importanza li wieħed jara l-istampa sħiħa u fuq kollox il-fatti fejn tidħol il-pandemija. Fil-waqt li irrikonoxxiet li l-COVID-19 hija marda mhux ta' min jiċċajta magħha u li iva tikkawsa dbatija fuq livelli diversi, hemm kundizzjonijiet oħra li f'dan iż-żmien donhom qed jingħataw il-ġenb f'pajjiża.
500 died yesterday, Dan, of cancer. 500 died today of cancer. They have been doing and they will do forever and increasing. 180 people die every day from heart disease. That's going to increase because people are still scared to go to the hospital and to go to A&E. Now, I don't quote Sue from Facebook. I talk to people who are not able to speak out, who are within the National Health Service.
Fakret ukoll fl-epidemija tal-influenza li għaddiet mir-Renju Unit bejn l-2017 u l-2018 li kkawżat problemi kbar fis-saħħa mentali tal-individwi.
In that epidemic, between the 7th of January and the 23rd of January in this country, we lost 23,000 people. Did anyone know? No, they didn't.
Welch fakret fl-importanza li wieħed isegwi l-istruzzjonijiet li qed jingħataw biex il-coronavirus ma jkomplix jinfirex, iżda appellat biex il-medja u l-awtoritajiet ikunu fatwali f'dak li jirrapportaw.
When I say to people that 616,000 people die every single year in this country, they look at me as if I'm mad. And that's not taking away from the horrendous deaths and people who lost people to COVID. But why are we only talking and why are we only prioritizing COVID deaths when actually the other day, when no people died, 500 still died of cancer?